Hi, good morning. So today we'll be working out on shoulders and triceps. So if you have dumbbells at home, it's well and good. Or we'll be settling down for water bottles, which are of a liter, 2 bottles. So let's begin with shoulder workouts first. So there are four variants for shoulder and three variants for triceps. So this should be done after your regular warm-up sessions. So let's begin with this. So the first variant will be like this. The position of your hands should be at the level of your shoulder, and then you'll be gently pushing it upwards, and it will be a count of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this will be for 3 sets. Repeat it for three times. Then the second variant will be the lateral raises. So here you have to take the position of the dumbbells or the water bottles like this, and you can give a slight bend on your knees. If it is bent like this, so you should be raising it laterally like this. 1, 2. Count will be for 15, and the effect has to be exactly on your shoulder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll just show you the side angle. So this will be a straight body line, and then you have to take a little bend over this, and then you can raise it laterally. 1, and this has to be up to your shoulder level again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was the second variant. And the third one will be again taking the bottles or the dumbbells in this position, gently raising it towards the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. So that was the third variant. And the last one will be like the bottle should be in a straight line. You should be standing straight. You imagine this to be a straight line, a barbell or a rod, and you'll be raising it laterally like this. Frontal like this, and the effect has to be on your shrugs. This will be affected, and you have to feel the pain here. So this will be like this, and it's for a count of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll just show you the lateral angle. So you have to take up to your shoulder level. Once you drop, you have to feel the pain on the shrugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it for shoulders. All the four variants into 3 sets. So now let's do with triceps. The one bottle will be doing, or one dumbbell will be doing straight up into there, and this should be a straight line. The hand has to be in the straight line position, and you're locking your elbow, and this will be dropping to 90 degrees or little further, and a repetition of 15 count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll just show you the side angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So that was the first variant, and now the second variant. To take the position a little forward on the left knee, and the right leg should be in a straight line. Either you can keep your hand here and take a position like this, or you can do it or you can bend little more and take a position like this. Whatever it is, like you have to be locking the elbow. I'll just show you the first position, and this double has to be extended backwards, not front side, and this has to be locked here. The elbow has to be locked here. The dumbbell should not go front, it should go only backwards. So, and your shoulder should not be up, it should be down. This should be down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Extending the dumbbell or the bottle like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or you can do it like this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you feel this position is not working out, take the support of your wall, bend it like this, lock your elbow, extend it backwards. It's for the count of 15, and then to your left hand. That was the second variant, and the third variant will be your chair dips. You can select any kind of chair or sofa. So I'll be selecting this one. So the length of the distance between your arms should be the distance between your shoulders. Take your knees forward and drop the entire weight down, and your elbow should not be outside, it should be inside, tucked in. So this is the position. Count of 15, 3 sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. Yeah. So all the sets will be repeating for 3 times. So that will be like 4 variants into 3. Again triceps 3 variants into 3 sets. So all the best, and post this you have to follow your regular ab workout or the love handles or the waist workout. Good day, keep it going.